Bethany Scott here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing. Someone heard I had gotten an Altenew package and it had been sitting on my desk for a hot second, and so it was a special request for me to open it, and I honestly cannot remember what I got. So this might be a little surprise to me. I know it was things that were on my wish list for a minute, that a couple items happened to be on sale. Plus there was free shipping. So of course I had to cash in. And yeah, I love the packaging that Altenew uses. It's always fun and inspirational. And this is cute. It's actually a little postcard, but you could just turn this into a card front. It has codes on the back. No one's gonna know, but you can make that into a card really easily. I think that's clever. Oh, yes. Okay, I do remember. So this is beautiful quotes. This is actually something that I had in my wish list for a hot second, but just really uplifting, motivational quotes. Just to send in a thank you card or a thinking of you card. And I'm kind of in the whole mode personally of let's uplift all the people in our lives and let's motivate them and just send some joy and spread joy around. This is one of the kits, actually, or not the kits, one of the die sets that was recently released, and the minute I saw some of the projects, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't need it, but I want it. And so this is the Pack Your Bags Layering die set. It's probably going to be extremely complicated for me to figure out because I don't do a lot of dies, but I always love having a really good die set. This one I only bought because I saw Altenew had a live with this set, or with this stamp set, and I just couldn't resist. It's Enjoy the Flight, but it's got the silhouette of a globe and then just little uplifting things flying by to say hi. And then, of course, in complimentary fashion to that is the airplane die set. So if you know someone who's about to go travel on a trip, or you just want to fly them some happy, joyful messages, that's a cute set to use. This one on my wish list for a minute. And this one is just really cute. It's a 3D embossing folder, hexagon blocks. I have a lot of ideas. You could, do bumblebees. You could do mixed media with this. There's a lot of different ideas. And then, of course, another really great uplifting set, which is the holiday. Well, the name is cut off, but it is holiday quotes. The stamp is actually covering the name. Holiday wishes? Something. I don't know. Holiday something or other, but look at how many stamps are in this. It's so cute. So it's basically like really nice quotes or inspirational things to add into the inside of Christmas cards. I feel like sometimes Christmas cards, when especially I'm making in bulk, need something inside because I don't want to just say have a happy Merry Christmas, blah blah blah. Something just to start off the new year or end the old year with something uplifting and positive. So I felt like this stamp set was just the perfect fit for my goals when I do finally send Christmas cards, which should be this year again. I don't know. I haven't sent Christmas cards probably since my son was born, maybe even before. Sorry, guys. In some way, shape, or form, I will figure out how to get those Christmas cards out. So I'm actually not going to play with anything today, just because I actually have a backlog of cards I personally need to make. But I wanted to share this unboxing with you and just, find something that's going to, when you do shop, and there's some really good sales going on right now. I know Spellbinders has a sale. I think scrapbook.com has a good code percentage. If you are a subscriber on their emails, you'll get those codes. And then, of course, you have the Simon Says stamps, Stamptember, going on, and I did get some things. I will admit I fulfilled a couple of wish list items. They sold out actually of one of the items I really, really wanted, and I'm hoping they bring it back as a pre-order, fingers crossed, because it was one of those I couldn't, like, I put it in the cart and then I forgot about it, and then by the time I came back to purchase it, it was already sold out. So that's what happens with Stamptember. If you see something and you really love it, just press purchase. It's okay. But anyways, that's a little bit FOMO. Stamptember I get a little bit of FOMO for. Not gonna lie, it happens almost every year. But yeah, just find something that's going to bring joy to you and also the person you intend to send it to. Even if you're just donating the cards, or if you're selling the cards, like, find something that's going to just bring joy to the person who purchases it and then sends it to their friends or family. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye.